You've got stubborn stains on your concrete. Today I'm going to show you 4 common stains and how to tackle them the right way so you don't damage anything. Let's dive in. Concrete stains can be a real eyesore, but trying to brute force them off with water alone can do more harm than good. We're going to look at leaf stains, coffee stains, oil stains, and rust stains, and I'll show you the correct method to clean them. First, let's get on the proper protective equipment. Many people think the solution is more pressure, but using too much pressure can etch the surface, causing permanent damage. Now, you might not notice the damage until the surface is dry. Let me show you the right way. First up, we got leaf staining here. All you need for leaf staining is a little bit of bleach and laundry detergent. I'll show you what it looks like. So you can mix some bleach and some laundry detergent in a spray bottle, 10 parts water to 1 part bleach, and just a few drops of laundry detergent. We're just gonna go a little nuclear here. Now you can watch as it lightens up. After about 5 minutes, you don't even need a power washer. You can use a garden hose. And if you don't get it all out, just hit it again or give it a longer dwell time. For the coffee staining, it's the same as the leaf staining. A little bit of bleach solution, and then to spread it out, you can always get a brush and spread it out evenly, or if you have a nice backpack sprayer or any sort of handheld sprayer. Basically, you want to just evenly spread the bleach out so it can do its work. And for safety's sake, I should say never mix any products. Don't mix bleach with an acid that can make a harmful gas, so let's not do that. For a rust stain, you want an acid. A couple professional products are F9 Bark and One Restore. When metal rust, it expands. So you've got metal expanding into the deepest pores of a concrete surface. Water pressure alone is not going to do anything. You need something to break down the metal and then release it so you can wash it out of the surface. It's going to take a little bit of One Restore, and I'm going to put it on the rust stain, and you'll notice it will foam up right away. So that's the reaction. That acid will break down and lift the rust out of the surface. You can even kind of see the rust particles on the surface of the foam. Then after about a 5-10 minute dwell, rinse it off. Again, I haven't used the pressure washer. You can see that rust is gone. When the surface is wet, you can see deeper into the material. I'm going to dry this off and you'll see it'll all lighten up. Here's the results. You can see the rust stain is gone, and we've actually brightened and whitened the concrete because it's so clean in this area compared to the rest. So if you're going to do any rust treatments, make sure to work in even sections or feather it out, because wherever you put it, it's going to end up really clean. And if you don't get all the rust out, just reapply and try again. Next up is the oil stain. You can still see the oil stain even though we hit that with incredible pressure. Now for the oil stain, you're going to want to use a product like this. This is Techniseal Professional Grade Oil and Grease Remover. This product is a Poultice. Now a Poultice is a paste that dries into a powder. Inside it, it's got a citric degreaser, and as that paste dries, it will pull oil up. So you want to apply it nice and thick. Cover the entire oil stain. You can go a little bit liberal, but the thicker you go, the more oil you can pull up from the surface. So then you just let it dry 24 hours. It'll dry into a powder. You sweep it up or rinse it off, and then you're good to go. So with the right methods, you can clean the concrete without any damage. Here's a quick recap. Do use the appropriate cleaners for the type of stains that you're trying to take up. Do not put on a high pressure tip to try and brute force things clean with water alone. Now I didn't want to stir up blotches in my own backyard, so I ended up putting on One Restore across that whole slab and brushing it out, and then giving it a pressure wash afterwards, just so I'd have a nice even slab and you could see how clean things could get. So I dried it off, and here's it dry. No more coffee stains. The oil stain is gone. All those pieces of rust stains I've lifted up. Looking over here, you can see leaf stains completely lifted as well. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure to follow along. Thanks, and have a great day. Cheers.